Welcome this morning. So we're going to make a chicken pie today. Got a nice rich all butter pastry to go in there all over the top. If you don't want to make the pastry, just go and buy some. So we're going to show you how to make the filling, and you can adapt it from there. You can add other meats, you can add other vegetables at the time. Okay, so let's go. And here are our ingredients. 2 tablespoons of plain flour with 1 teaspoon of mustard powder. We've got 50 grams of butter here, 400 mils of chicken stock, 8 boneless chicken thighs diced. I've got 1 onion sliced here and 2 bay leaves. First of all, in a pan, melt your butter. Once your butter's melted, add your onions and your bay leaf, and we're going to leave these to fry for a few minutes. Once the onions are softened down, we don't want them brown, but we want them fairly well cooked. Then we're going to add in our chicken thighs. We're going to fully cook this chicken in the pan, so this is going to take about 10 minutes. Feel free to pop a lid on if you need to. Once it's cooked down, as you can see, the meat is all cooked, and we're going to start to add our flour and our mustard powder. This is the thickening agent in our sauce. Make sure it's all stirred in and not stuck to the spoon like mine. Then we're going to add the stock bit by bit. So this will thicken up as we go. As we get towards the end, then you can start to turn the heat up a bit more. And this will turn into a nice creamy sauce around our chicken and onion mix. Cook the sauce out for about 5 minutes and then leave to go cold. And in part 2 we'll show you how to make the pastry and bake it.